Have you ever wondered why some people are able to get huge tax returns while other people aren't? Tax returns are based on how much you pay in taxes and how much you owe. My motivation to do this topic is that everyone eventually is going to have to do taxes, and the more you know about it, the process, the more money you can get back, and the less you'll have to pay whenever you eventually do. I am an accounting student at Ball State, and I have done a lot of research on this topic. I have went to multiple sites that does your taxes for you, like TurboTax and H&R Block. I have also researched some on the IRS website, and I've researched some on investing websites. So what we're going to talk about today is how you determine the taxes you have to pay, how you are able to reduce those taxes, and then how your business withholds taxes, and that's where you're going to get your return from. So first, we have to find out how we are going to find what we need to pay. So you calculate your total income through your investments and jobs. After this, the government applies a tax bracket to your income. As you can see on the slide, it gives an estimate of how much you're going to pay for income, based on income. So after determining your taxable income, you're going to want to reduce as much as you can. Deductions are going to lower the income that can be taxed. IRS gives us a great example of this with a mileage deduction. For delivery drivers or any job that requires you to be in your vehicle a lot, you are able to get 72 cents back per mile deducted from your taxable income. Tax credits also are able to lower your taxes, but they directly lower your taxes. H&R Block or TurboTax gives us good examples of this with an education credit and a child care credit. And then a website called Tax Act also talks about how these rules are constantly changing. Every year there are new tax laws, and the more you know, the more money you are able to deduct. So after you deduct as much as you can, you are finally going to have to see how much you paid and see what refund you can get or amount you have to pay back. So your job will automatically send a part of your payment to the IRS unless you are self-employed. If you pay more than what you're supposed to, you will get a refund. If you don't, you are going to have to owe some money. So now we are going to review everything, all the steps. First, you want to calculate your income and see how much tax you're going to have to pay. Then you're going to deduct the taxable income and deduct the tax itself. And finally, you're going to see how much you've paid and how much of a refund you can get back. I hope this speech has helped you understand the process a bit more and help you maximize your refund and minimize the amount you have to pay back. Thanks for watching.